Look how the Hadza hunter cooks a delicious plant-based meal in the middle of the African wilderness. Deep in the heart of nature, far away from cities and modern kitchens, the Hadza live a life closely connected to the land. Every day is a lesson in survival, respect, tradition, and harmony with nature. In this video, you'll see something truly special: a Hadza hunter preparing a simple but amazing vegan-style meal using only what nature provides. From gathering natural ingredients from the forest to preparing them carefully, every step is done with skill, patience, and knowledge passed down through generations. There are no machines here, no packaged food, and no modern cooking tools, just hands, fire, and pure experience. Watching him cook over an open flame shows how powerful traditional knowledge really is. The Hadza people understand the land deeply. They know which plants to pick, how to prepare them, and how to make healthy food straight from nature. It's inspiring to see how they appreciate every resource, never wasting, always respecting the environment that sustains them. This is real life, real culture, and real connection to the earth. This video is not just about food, it's about culture, history, survival, and a lifestyle that many of us can only imagine. It reminds us that sometimes the simplest way of living is the most powerful. Enjoy this beautiful moment from the Hadza tribe and witness true bush life, tradition, and nature at its finest. This is real bush life, no modern kitchen, no fancy tools, just pure survival skills, traditional knowledge, and a strong connection with nature. Watch how he carefully gathers natural ingredients from the wild, prepares them with patience and experience, and cooks over an open fire, using techniques passed down through generations. The Hadza people live closely with the land, understanding every plant, every tree, and every source of food nature provides. It's amazing to see how they turn
wind walk, dust speed, feet answer. We are here, we belong, not below. Fire circle, people circle, old ones come, young ones here. Savannah gives, Savannah takes, Savannah remembers every step. Zebra pass, giraffe watch, antelope run, lion waits, eyes in grass, ears in dark. Every life knows another. We do not own, we do not rule, we follow paths already written. Morning hunt, night return, hands empty, hands full. Arrowwood, string sinew, gift from trees, gift from bees. Animal running, hunter breathing, two hearts meeting time. Not enemy, not thing, brother moving in another skin. Life falls, dust rise, spirit walk, back to grass. We thank you with blood, with silence, with care. Bones to earth, high to warm, Savannah, hold us when we walk with us. Children grow, elders fade, grass returns, stars remain. We are passing, Savannah stays. Song is breath, breath is now. Savannah way, Savannah breathing. We are here, we belong.
Ba'ala ham. Ba'ala. Usapa. Ami shoga da ko usapa. Isi ya ta ci ya. Wa ile. Aku baca sesalang. Cheese. Baca sasa inal me kan buka aku baca sana aku punya aku dulu. Wah. Lara aku mah ayah aku. Keku. Iya. Enak. Enak je Cina. Buat dia. Usapa keku. Kau ada keku. Oh, Hazane usapa a. Anak ko kinami manakita ra ala ko. Usapa a dita. Ha, wala ko pa wa. Bina ko o mazo. Ha? Kenen. Ka chana mini na ko ati biso ta ata. Kai koko iwan. Ati wa cha wicha. Ati biche je ka a.
Kai sisha.
Cik otak kena mana kata ayah semua tua ayah kusepa dengan koko. Mana kita ni nak koko. Banyak dah. Mami aja aja. Macam ni sih pernah. Kita ayah cakap.
Pernah ada ham tak semi.
Butuh ni. Itu apa kau ya sedang sebut. Kita nak ichi tak.
Aku ani. Puasa sih. Ati bicara ku yang nak. Iya ni tangguh ko tak ko. Enak kata cerita ke ya. Siapa sama aku tahu siapa kok ikan. Aku dah ni.
Ini aku di mana?
Babe jua. Kela tala chia ejelag.
Zani choko.
Kakashata.
Zani choko.
Atone.
Ichame. Teko.
Uchame ko.
Chimanako.
Zani choko teko.
Babo.
Ichame.
Eba mitkawalini.
Manako.
Seme. Teko seme.
Koma ti ama kwa pi akowa koma shama le.
Ape ba.
Wa ya ko.
Nzungu. Seme wela bawa.
Wela seme. Ete ko ka be ko ete ko Seme atape. Alambia atape
Toza bebana.
Then go this Adam. Then go Shashu.
Kakasha tata
bana acha mzungu embo ache yote nandi bana.
Kena utata alafu akini. Ama koko aya akasumba makubiza wakhe taban nuqa mama ba mitaw aya da mama nuqa ba jamata mama tuna pauda abe zoda wala kama kuzi Aba moto sama tamana kat
Aku awa de. Aku tak koi khai.
Ulu tak mana iya.
Pakai na.
Kok